for photos in a bit. But for now, I'd like to invite Mr. Epok Kimbo to join us again for Q&A. Sir Epok, dito tayo. Okay, to be careful. It's kind of high. Hello, sir. Okay, so I'm very excited, and I know lahat ng kasama po natin ngayon are very excited to meet the Smart Elite. And I understand they are, of course, all parang sir, sports ambassadors, di ba? From the NCAA. Now, what is exactly Smart Elite? At ano po yung mga naging qualifications, yung naging basis natin for them being part of this group?
Yeah. Well, number one, criteria, no? Siyempre, dapat they enroll in the NCAA school, no, student. So, number one criteria, we really look at the players who are outstanding and of course overachievers, both in the court, representing the school, and of course some of the players here represented the country already. So it's the number one thing that we look at. And number two, we also look at them on their personalities, and how they also reacted with their students and with their classmates in school.
Right. It's the first time that we're forming such group, di ba? And Smart is of course a big supporter of the NCAA. Are you, well, this is almost looking forward, but are you looking into perhaps doing the same thing in the UAAP?
Yes, we are. And
okay.
Hopefully at the end of the day, not only for basketball, we'll be able to identify Smart Elite ambassadors who can, of course, like what I said earlier, inspire other students and athletes to achieve more in sports, to be able to serve as role models.
Right.
Of course, not only in athletics, but also outside.
So not only, sir, basketball. Not only basketball, we can look into other sports also, like volleyball maybe, or you mentioned athletics, di ba? Maganda rin yung naging performance natin doon.
Yes, yes. Well, the thing is sports, and that's why I like sports now. It's an ending. It's an opportunity where you can, show what you have and what you got. And walang limit, wala siyang limit.
This is really showing Smart's commitment to promote, of course, sportsmanship and of course the passion in playing sports in our country. Friends, I know meron po kayo mga katanungan. Just perhaps raise your hand and we'll come closer to where you are with microphones. You can address it, of course, to either Sir Epok or to any of our Smart Elite. Again, 10 sila dito, so kahit sino po pwede nating tanungin. Anybody that would want perhaps a question? I would want to ask the three muna. The three, starting with Baser. Kayo, kamusta? Earl, yung naging experience ninyo with the SEA Games. A lot of you parang first time naglaro sa international competition, wearing, of course, the Philippine colors. How was that experience for you guys?
Okay naman. Sobrang proud lang kami kasi kahit nasa Singapore kami, ang daming Pilipinong nagsusupport sa amin. Every game talaga nandun sila.
Puno-puno lagi yung CBC Arena.
So feeling namin parang nasa Pilipinas din. Kumbaga, home advantage din.
Giovanni and Earl, in your very young careers, parang kagad nung level kasi gilas kagad. Pero of course, that only is the start and mas mai-inspire pa kayo na mas pagbutihin and perhaps represent the country again.
Sobrang saya namin sa Singapore kasi ang dami namin natutunan about nila Kiefer Avena and Marcus. Kaya yun, sobrang dami namin na experience. Kaya
magagamit yun. Dito sa NC. Kayo magkalaban na kayo ngayon ni Scotty. No, from magkakampi just about a few weeks ago, ngayon magkalaban na. How is that Scotty, na yung dati mong kampi ngayon, kalaban mo na naman agad.
Ano lang, sa una, syempre nung kalaban namin sila, sa court lang yun, pero pag sila off the court, okay naman kami mga kaibigan, lalo na yung nakasama ko sa Gilas. Sobrang nakilala namin yung isa't isa. Yun, pero pag sa court, kalaban mo na.
Sir, pwede tayong gumawa ng team. Parang isang ano na to, isang buong team na kagad, kumpleto tayo.
Actually, I went to Singapore to watch them. And to be honest, and I have to agree with Basel, iba talaga yung experience ng pinagdaanan. And the Filipino crowd is actually, if not 4,000, dun sa capacity na 6,000 ng OCBC Arena, talagang na-dominate, talagang home crowd talaga. And it was overwhelming, but it was also humbling. Kaya nung nakita nyo sila, nung nanonood kayo, hindi sila nagwawala ng todo nung nag-enjoy. Kasi na-appreciate nung mga tao, nung mga Pinoy, yung ginawa nilang endeavor, nag-champion. And precisely, those instances, yung gusto namin ma-translate ng SMART to the Filipinos naman here in the country, nasa back home, nandun sa Singapore. That's why all the time, I was taking pictures and I was sending it back home.
Laking bagay, no? And we were always online, di ba? I was updating actually what was happening in the game kasi it took us a while bago natin na-send yung feed dito sa Manila. But of course, online, all over Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, we were always updated. And again, congratulations on that. I think we have